It's been a few months since I've used the service, but it is like you don't even force them to use a certain keyword, but like what you do
Right.
is like you say, hey, which keyword would you use to find this kind of product, just to see a general Amazon buyer's buying habits, and sometimes they even pick like their own keyword,
Your
to
own
use.
keyword.
Is
Exactly.
that right?
Yes, correct. And on
Okay,
top of
and
that,
oh, go ahead.
market research, a lot of market research, which for the actual process of purchasing seems to be very important.
Yeah, like that was what I really liked, about it is hey, all right, you got this keyword whether they picked one of the ones that you thought it would be or not. Now it's like, probably some of your main competitors are on there, and then they give you some feedback on based on like, hey, how does it look in the search results? The main image, the price point, the title. Hey, click into some of the competitors' listings and then compare it to mine. It's been a few months since I've used